Are you trying to decide between CapCut and InShot for your video editing needs? You're not alone. Today, we'll compare these two popular apps to help you make the right choice. Both CapCut and InShot are designed for mobile video editing. They allow you to create and share videos easily. You can add music, effects, and text to your clips, making them fun and engaging. Let's start with CapCut. This app is known for its user friendly interface. It offers a wide range of features, including advanced editing tools, filters, and transitions. It's great for both beginners and experienced editors. Plus, it's free to use, which is a big plus. Now, let's talk about InShot. InShot is also very popular among video creators. It has a simple layout that's easy to navigate. You can trim, cut, and merge clips without any hassle. InShot also provides options for adding music and stickers, giving your videos a personal touch. However, some advanced features may require a subscription. So, what are the main differences? CapCut has more advanced editing options compared to InShot. It's better for those who want to dive deeper into video editing. On the other hand, InShot is perfect for quick edits and social media posts. It's straightforward and gets the job done fast. When it comes to pricing, CapCut is completely free. InShot has a free version, but it offers in-app purchases for extra features. So if you are looking for a budget-friendly option, CapCut is the way to go. In summary, if you want powerful editing tools, choose CapCut. But if you need something quick and easy, InShot is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this.